Hello folks, hope everyone's keeping well. Glorious day to be out on the bike. So, anytime you're going for a spin, 4 key phrases and things for your safety. Powders, check off the bike. I am safe. Check of yourself. Make sure you are in the right frame to be out on the bike. Then you have IPSCA. Information, position, speed, gear, acceleration, or deceleration. So the information you take in, which also goes to the last one as well, take, use, give. Take in the information, use it to decide what you're doing, give information back to the other road users. Now that could be giving in your position on the road, indicators, brakes, so that they know what you're doing. I hate when I do that. Hop around. So, IPSCA, information, oncoming car, position, left hand side, speed, steady, under the limit, gear, second gear, acceleration, driving through the bends. That's just one example, but this is something that is constantly evolving, going through your head. So you're constantly taking in the information around you, what you see in front of you, what you smell. And yeah, smell does come into it. Out earlier, you can smell fresh cut grass. Came around the bend, fresh cut grass on the road. And when you see fresh cut grass, there's normally a mower somewhere soon. And yep, he was in on the left hand side cutting the grass, and the grass cuttings flying out onto the road, causing a hazard. And all that came from me smelling fresh cut grass. There are times when you also get a smell of diesel. You know there's been a spill on the road. There are other times when you'd smell silage. And you know the tractors are out and the farmers are out. So you need to keep an eye out for these things as well. So it's about taking in all the information around you, using that information for speed, gear, acceleration, position. To make the right decisions, to be in the right position and place, do what you need to do. And it is the old take, use, give. Take in that information. Use it to decide what you're doing. Give feedback to vehicles around you. And the easiest indications to give are your indicators and your brake lights. So these are all principles of riding. Now, the best book is Motorcycle Roadcraft, Police Rider's Handbook. That's the gospel for riding motorbikes. It is designed for police motorbikes, designed in the UK, but it's the principles for all advanced riding. And just about anyone that does or teaches advanced riding is working from that book. It's what the police use, what the Gardaí use. It's what anyone on a motorbike should be using. Buy the book. It is not expensive. It's about 25 or so euro. Well worth a little investment. And you don't have to read it start page to end page, but you should read it. And even if you only pick up little bits and pieces, it's those little bits and pieces that can save your life. How to deal with bends, roundabouts, junctions, urban riding, traffic. Looking ahead, planning ahead, anticipation of what's up ahead. So, Motorcycle Roadcraft, a book to get. Alright folks, be safe out there. This time of year again, people on holidays, lots of cars on the roads, good weather, plenty of bikes on the roads. And I know, look how close this car is behind me. Something to be wary of too. What's behind you, never mind what's just in front of you. That's the thing about the bike, you've got great acceleration, so you can accelerate quickly away from potential trouble. When there is space to accelerate away from it. So I have a car in front. Car front's doing okay. The car behind me just gets a bit too close from time to time. Now, if we get any bit of a break, accelerate past this car in front of me. Give myself a buffer. And it turned off. No, they haven't turned off. Slowed everyone down as if they were going to turn off, and then they kept going. So, yes, be careful of people out there. Alright folks, take care, ride safe, talk to you soon.